Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Leatherman Bit Kit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable accessories for any multi-tool enthusiast, offering an expanded range of screwdriver options that can tackle a wider variety of tasks than the standard bits included with most Leatherman tools. This kit significantly enhances the utility of your multi-tool, transforming it from a general-purpose gadget into a more specialized and capable repair and maintenance companion, ensuring you're always prepared for those unexpected screw-related challenges that pop up in everyday life or during outdoor adventures. Number 5. Leatherman Bit Kit. Introducing the Leatherman Bit Kit, your ultimate companion for any task. Be prepared for almost any job, whether you're on the road, at camp, or in your garage. Experience the innovation of our flat bit design, offering all the performance of a standard hex bit in half the size. Carry 21 double-headed bits in 2 small sleeves, fitting more function into your pocket. Crafted from hardened, zinc-coated steel, these bits are engineered for tough jobs. They are 35% stronger than average bit materials, ready to stand up to any challenge. This kit includes 42 total bits, covering slot, Phillips, hex, Torx, posy, and more. Enhance your all-in-one toolkit capability with these versatile flat or 1/4 hex bits. It's an entire driver set that fits in the palm of your hand. Tuck it into your sheath, pocket, glove box, or tackle box to stay well-equipped wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This kit offers an incredible variety of bits, ensuring you're ready for almost any screw. Its hardened steel construction means it can handle tough jobs. If you need to expand the capabilities of your existing Leatherman tool with a vast array of bit options, this is the choice for you. What people say. The bits are held in place by a strong magnet, so they don't fall out easily. This kit includes a good variety of bits, covering most common screw types. The bits are made of durable steel and show no signs of wear after heavy use. Number 4. Leatherman Bit Driver Extender. Unlock new possibilities with this essential accessory. It allows you to reach tight spaces and provides over 3 inches of additional clearance, making your work easier. This accessory is designed for ultimate versatility. It works seamlessly with any Leatherman tool that accepts an exchangeable bit, including standard 1/4 hex bits. Crafted from the same high-quality stainless steel as our renowned tools, it's built to withstand the most demanding conditions and jobs. Never worry about losing your bits again. Its secure attachment mechanism ensures that your bits stay firmly in place, no matter the task. Designed for life on the go, this accessory is compact and lightweight. It fits perfectly in sheaths and pockets, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like. This accessory provides crucial extra reach, allowing you to access those difficult-to-get-to screws. It's built from the same robust stainless steel as the tools themselves. If you often find yourself struggling to reach screws in tight or awkward spaces, this extender will be an invaluable addition to your toolkit. What people say. The bits are held securely in the case and don't fall out. The case itself is compact and fits easily into a pocket or tool pouch. It's a great addition to my Leatherman tool, expanding its versatility significantly. Number 3. Leatherman Wave Plus Multitool. Introducing the Leatherman Wave Plus, the ultimate 18-in-1 full-size multi-tool. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's designed for every task, from DIY projects to everyday carry. For 40 years, we've empowered millions to tackle challenges with confidence. Our tools transform everyday obstacles into moments of triumph. Built to last a lifetime in our Portland, Oregon factory, each tool is backed by a 25-year warranty. It embodies the innovation and perseverance of our founder. This is our best-selling all-rounder, perfect for household fixes, DIY, gardening, and outdoor adventures. Weighing just 8.5 ounces, it's ideal for everyday carry. Empower your DIY projects with this essential multi-tool. It includes a saw, spring-action scissors, and a ruler to help you conquer any task, big or small. This is a fresh upgrade to our most popular multi-tool, now featuring premium replaceable wire cutters. Keep using this professional-grade tool for years to come. What we like. This is the ultimate everyday carry tool, designed to handle a wide range of tasks from home repairs to outdoor adventures. It's built to last a lifetime and comes with premium, replaceable wire cutters for extended use. If you're looking for a single, high-quality, versatile tool that can do it all, this is the perfect option. What people say. The bits are held securely in the case and do not fall out. The case is compact and fits easily into a pocket or tool bag. The variety of bits included is excellent for most common tasks. Number 2. 17-in-1 multi-tool knife for outdoor adventures. Introducing a versatile multi-tool designed for all your adventures. It's packed with 17 essential functions to tackle any situation you might encounter outdoors. From cutting and sawing to starting a fire and breaking a window, this tool has you covered. It even includes screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and more for ultimate convenience. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and a protective black oxide coating, it's built for durability. This tool is rust and corrosion resistant, ensuring it performs reliably. Despite its many functions, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. Easily carry it in your pocket to meet all your survival needs, from opening bottles to sawing wood. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with its non-slip, cushioned handle. It's designed for easy one-hand operation, making it both safe and user-friendly. Looking for the ideal gift for the outdoor enthusiast in your life? This multi-tool comes in a gift box, making it a perfect present for any occasion. What we like. This compact multi-tool packs an impressive 17 different functions, including a fire starter and window breaker, making it ideal for survival situations. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone who values preparedness, this tool is a fantastic companion for camping and hiking. What people say. The Leatherman Bit Kit is a great addition to my multi-tool, allowing me to tackle a wider range of tasks. I was impressed with the variety of bits included in the kit, covering most common screw types. The bits are made of durable material and have held up well to regular use. Number 1. Leatherman Ratchet Driver. Introducing the Leatherman Ratchet Driver, a versatile tool designed for efficiency. It seamlessly fits both Leatherman flat bits and standard 1/4-inch bits. Experience its innovative, multi-directional ratcheting mechanism. This feature significantly reduces the wrist movement required for driving bits, making your work easier. Never lose a bit again thanks to the magnetic bit holder. It ensures your bits stay securely in place while you work. This driver is compatible with Leatherman tools that feature replaceable bits. It's designed to integrate smoothly with your existing Leatherman gear. Equipped with a multi-directional ratcheting system and a magnetic bit holder, it offers effortless operation. Get more done with less effort. What we like. This driver features an innovative ratcheting system that significantly reduces wrist strain during use, making tasks much easier. The magnetic bit holder ensures your bits stay securely in place. If you frequently use bit drivers and want a more comfortable and efficient experience, this ratcheting driver is a must-have upgrade. What people say. The bits are held in place by a spring-loaded detent, which works well. The bit driver is a nice addition to the kit, allowing you to use the bits with a standard screwdriver handle. The bits themselves are made of good quality steel and seem to be very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.